Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO F19 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And here we are in the standard photo mode, so we can take a look at this option bar. And on the second position from the left we've got the timer, so let's tap on it simply. And as you can see, we've got three different options, so the off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So let me tap on 10 seconds delay. As you can see, the icon changed slightly, so we can be sure that we've got the timer set. What is more, we've got it inside the shutter button, which is really nice. So let's simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, of course you can turn it off the same way, just tap on this timer icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.